engagement. Tinanong sa'yo, pag ba ang mga security guards ng presidente na-inspect daw ang routes prior to departure and arrival of the president, of the vice president, I'm sorry, for possible threats, for criminal groups. Yung mga security guards ng vice president, ini-inspect yung rota. Dadaan dito ang vice president. Office of the Vice President or DepEd. Dadaan dito. Tignan nga natin kung may komunista dito. Tignan na natin kung may NPA dito. Tignan nga natin kung may terorista dito. Yan ba ay
Your Honor,
parte?
please. Your
I
Honor.
haven't finished.
Let her finish,
Is
Counsel.
that part of confidential activity or confidential funds?
Your Honor, please.
Yes, Counsel for
The
Respondent.
good counsel is adding facts to the question. Can she not cite the exact wordings, Your Honor?
Your Honor, please. This is redirect. You open the door,
She can refer to
Counsel.
the record, Your Honor.
Counsel, you opened the door. You said, in fact, you asked her, is this part of the, Your Honor, please. Is this part of the
Counsel for
regular?
Respondent, please, you read parts of the PIO, what do you call it,
PIOR,
Celine?
Your Honor.
PIOR,
But Your Honor, please, she can just refer to the records.
which
So that
includes
nothing will be
NPA,
added.
terrorist groups, and in fact mentions the word criminalities, which I'm not so
Yeah.
sure about, but criminalities, correct? Celine,
Yes.
correct?
Opo,
She
nabanggit.
said that, Your
So the
Honor.
question is, you mentioned earlier that these are part of confidential functions, not regular functions of the OVP, correct?
That was the question of Counsel for Respondent.
Exactly. She
I don't
responded to
understand,
that
Your
answer.
Honor.
Now, what is your question, Attorney
My
Gobon?
question here is, okay, itong Office of the Vice President, na-confirm mo na may confidential funds.
Opo, meron po.
Okay. But in the Commission on Audit, outside COA ICFAO, are you aware that the Office of the Vice President has funds outside the confidential funds, her confidential funds?
Nasa part na po yun ng regular audit. Ang sa ICFAO lang po is yung sa confidential funds lang po.
So you're saying that the Vice President, OVP, the DepEd Secretary has funds.
Your Honor,
other than-
please.
I
Already
haven't even
answered,
finished.
Counsel?
She answered.
Misleading, Your Honor. She didn't say that they have funds. She said she has no knowledge because that is
No,
not the
Your
scope of her audit.
She said, Your Honor,
She said that it's not
there
the
are
subject.
there are funds subject of regular audit. Regular funds
Yes po, may
of the
regular
Vice
funds.
President herself.
Opo,
And this is subject, Madam Witness, to regular audit.
yes po.
And being subject to regular audit, it is not part of the COA ICFAO confidential funds audit, correct?
Yes po,
Okay.
tama po.
Would you know that the Office of the Vice President has regular funds or special funds for security personnel? Are you aware of that, Madam Witness?
Dahil nga po ang sa amin lang is confidential fund, hindi po ako aware dun sa regular funds po ng OBP.
Okay. Regular funds, the security personnel, and it is here in your circular. It says salaries for staff is not part of the allowable expense of confidential funds, correct? You mentioned that before.
Nasa 4.11 po yung mga hindi dapat paggamitan ng CF at IF.
Salaries, wages, overtime, additional compensation, allowances, etc. of government, of salaries, benefits, additional compensation, allowance, or other benefits of officials and employees who are employed by the government in whatever capacity or elected officials, except when authorized by law. The Office of the Vice President it is of public knowledge that the Office of the Vice President has no less than 400 security guards. Are you aware of that? Public knowledge.
Narinig ko po sa news.
Yes. And if the security guards are being paid salaries, should these salaries be debited or reimbursed from confidential funds?
Isa po, yung salaries po, hindi po siya pwedeng i-charge sa confidential fund.
Okay. So itong activity na sinabi na to check securities, to check surveillance daw, to make surveillance of the routes of the Vice President when she arrives to
Your-
an engagement, when she leaves to an engagement, when she attends engagements, Christmas parties, whatever.
Counsel for respondent, yes?
Ocular,
Your Honor, please.
I haven't finished.
Okay.
Okay. And counsel mentioned ocular inspection and casing of venue prior to activity. Now, prior to an activity, should this be part, Madam Witness, if this is a function being done by her personal security guards, should this be considered as part of confidential funds activity, Your Honor? This clearing the road.
Your Honor, please.
Yes, Counsel for